Hey everybody, Ray Warren here from my724outdoors.com. Today we're going to take you through a do-it-yourself, build-it-yourself camper a friend of mine did on a flatbed trailer. Mike Cautrell put a ton of design and effort into this, and I think you're going to be really impressed. We'll be right back to take you on a tour.
Okay, this is my 2019 homemade camper. I started out with an 18-foot trailer that I already had. I wanted something to haul my side-by-side on the back and still have a place we could sleep at night. It was better than a tent. Built this on the trailer. Bought a toolbox here in the front. That's got my electronics, my battery, charger and inverter. It's got all 12-volt LED lights. We got a 110-volt air conditioner here in the back. Also have a back door where we can come out and set chairs and things. Okay, this is the inside. We got a little sleeping bunk for grandkid. We've got some little shelves, all our light switches, voltage gauge. We would have the fancy toilet. The sink. It's also 12 volt, and there's the water, and I just got a 5-gallon water jug and a 5-gallon bucket. There's our air conditioner. We got a little window here that kind of doubles as a shelf. If you're doing something here at the sink, you could always set something up there. Now this is a couch during the day and then folds out into a full-size bed at night. Okay, all the lights are 12-volt LEDs, so very low power. I'm using just a boat deep cycle battery. We wanted a camper, but I didn't want a full-size camper sitting in my yard all the time. I've probably got $3,500 in this. And it's definitely solid. It's all wood. Everything is glued and screwed together with stainless steel screws, so there's no creaking or rocking here. So I think it's going to do what we want to do.